Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix lag in Roblox on Chromebook. All right, let's begin. First, open Roblox and join any game. Once inside the game, click the Roblox icon in the top left corner and open Settings. Scroll down until you see Graphics Mode and change it to Manual. After that, lower the graphics quality to the minimum setting. This can significantly improve performance and reduce lag or freezing issues. If Roblox is still lagging, make sure your Chromebook is running the latest software version because outdated system software can affect Roblox performance. Next, open the Chrome browser, click the three dots in the top right corner, and select Delete Browsing Data. Choose All Time and clear the data. Then, go back to the three-dot menu, open Extensions, and disable unnecessary browser extensions since they may slow down your Chromebook while gaming. Now type flags instead of extensions into the address bar. Then search for and enable the following options. Override software rendering list and GPU rasterization. Finally, restart your Chromebook and launch Roblox again. The lag and freezing issues should now be improved. So that's basically how you can fix lag in Roblox on Chromebook. That's it for this video. Thanks.